Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we'll solve a problem where we calculate the number of trailing zeros in the factorial of a given number. Trailing zeros occur due to the factors of 10 in the number, which are created by multiplying 2 and 5. Let's dive in. The problem is to count the trailing zeros in a factorial. Trailing zeros occur due to the factors of 10, which are created by multiplying 2 and 5. Since there are always more factors of 2 than in 5 in a factorial, the count of trailing zeros depends on the number of factors of 5. This ES5 implementation calculates the trailing zeros by first looping through the multiples of 5 to identify factors of 5. Secondly, for each multiple, it divides the number by 5 repeatedly to count the additional factors of 5. Finally, the sum of all these counts gives us the total trailing zeros in the factorial. Here's how the program works. It initializes a counter to track the factors of 5. It iterates through the multiples of 5 and counts how many times each is divisible by 5. The sum of these counts gives the total number of trailing zeros in the factorial. Let's analyze these examples step by step. For where n is equal to 10, there are two multiples of 5, each contributing to one factor of 5. The total is 2. For where n is equal to 25, there are 5 multiples of 5, with 25 contributing 2 factors. The total is 6. The ES6 version uses arrow functions and block scoped let variables for cleaner syntax and better readability. The logic remains identical to the ES5 implementation, ensuring consistent results. This optimized solution eliminates the inner loop by directly dividing n by 5 and summing the quotients. This approach significantly improves efficiency, especially for large values of n. In summary, this program calculates the trailing zeros in a factorial by counting factors of 5. This optimized solution improves efficiency by directly summing the factors of 5 without nested loops. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I will see you in the next one.